Chapter 4. Need of Transport. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one location to another. Early man used to travel on foot from one place to another. Then, domestication of animals like donkey and horse changed the style of movement. But invention of wheel brought a revolution in transportation. At first, the wheel was a simple piece of wood cut from a log. Gradually, improvements were made. Now, every vehicle moves on wheels. The next important step was the invention of the steam engine, which was used to run trains. This steam engine was invented by James Watt. With the passage of time, the steam engine was replaced by the diesel engine. In today's world of science and technology, we have better and faster means of transport system. It can be categorized into 3 types: land, water, and air transport. Need for transport. Transportation is one of the basic human needs to move from one place to another. Transportation allows economic development as it takes raw material and finished goods from one place to another. Transportation system has made the world smaller. Today, we can go to any part of the world in a short period of time. With the help of a good transportation system, we can provide relief immediately in case of accidents. Roadways. Roads are needed for smoother and faster movement of vehicles. Today, we have roads in urban as well as in rural areas. Some roads are very broad and they connect various cities. These are called national highways. India has the second largest road network in the world. Some roads connect 2 countries. These are called international highways. Some of the world-famous highways are the Pan-American Highway and the Australian Transcontinental Highway. Some important Indian roadways are the Grand Trunk Road or GT Road, which is also known as NH1. Expressway, which connects Delhi to Agra. Golden Quadrilateral Road System, which connects all the 4 metros, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai of India. However, there has also been an increase in road traffic, which has led to increase in road accidents and air pollution. More to know. In Northern Ireland, there are more bicycles than automobiles. Railways. Railways are a highly important means of transport, as it helps to transport not only a large number of people, but also heavy goods over long distances. Railways was introduced in India by the British. Today, we have the largest network of railways in Asia. Many superfast and heritage trains have been introduced in the Indian railways, like Palace on Wheels. Some of the superfast trains of India are Shatabdi, Rajdhani, Duronto, and Gatiman Express. The first metro of India was started in Kolkata. Delhi is in the 2nd position to have metro. Many other cities like Mumbai, Jaipur, Lucknow, Chandigarh have also initiated the project to have metro in their city. The USA has the largest railway network in the world, followed by China and India. Japan, France, Germany and China have some of the fastest trains in the world. They are called bullet trains with a speed of 400 km per hour. India is also planning to start a bullet train. First bullet train will be from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. The Trans-Siberian Railways is the longest railway line in the world. This line runs between St. Petersburg in European Russia to Vladivostok in Asian Russia. This train covers a distance of about 8,000 km in 7 days. Waterways. Waterways have been a popular means of transport since the ancient times. The earliest means of transport were rafts and boats. Today, we can travel in large, comfortable ships that run on steam or diesel. They carry raw materials and finished goods from one place to another. It is the cheapest means of transport. This is because It requires no roads or tracks. The only requirement of waterways is good ports with proper facilities for loading and unloading of goods. The low cost of transportation of waterways has encouraged trade of various essential items like cotton, tobacco, wheat, rubber, vegetables, fruits, meat and dairy products. Perishable products are transported in refrigerated ships. India has a 6,000-kilometer long coastline with 12 major ports and 181 minor ports. India is well connected with other countries. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga are used as inland waterways. All over the world, many rivers are used as waterways like Yangtze-Kiang and Huanghe in China, Nile and Congo in Africa, Mississippi in North America. There is ocean transportation also. The construction of the Suez Canal and Panama Canal have reduced the travel time. Before it was built, ships had to sail around the southern tip of South America while going from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Airways. Airways, which is the latest as well as the fastest means of transport, is becoming very popular today. The first successful attempt to fly was made by Wright brothers in 1903. As technology advanced, there had been drastic changes in the shape and speed of aeroplanes. It helps to save time and is also the most comfortable means of traveling to far-off places. The only drawback of airways is its traveling cost. It is quite expensive. Our country has both government and private airlines and more than 100 civil airports. Now I know. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one location to another. The invention of the wheel and steam engine were turning points in the history of transport. Transport can be divided into three groups: land, water, and air. The network of roads connecting major cities of the country is called highway. The British introduced railways in India. Waterways is cheap mode of transport, while airways is the fastest and most expensive means of transport.